In this video, we're going to be looking at the word class pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can be used to replace a noun or a noun phrase in order to avoid repetition in a sentence or a paragraph. Remember, a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, object, idea, or feeling. Take these sentences, for example. Lola chopped the vegetables and then Lola fried the vegetables. To make the sentence less repetitive, we can replace some of the nouns with pronouns. Lola chopped the vegetables and then she fried them. Lola has been replaced by she and the vegetables has been replaced by them. Pronouns can also be used to aid cohesion across a paragraph. This means they can be used to help the reader understand what is happening by making links to what has already been said. Let's take a look at some examples of common pronouns. She, he, it, they, I, me, we, us, them, and you are all examples of pronouns. In this question, you're being asked to circle all the pronouns in this sentence. Bruno looked up at the moon, and he hoped that he could reach it one day. There are two pronouns in this sentence. Have you spotted them? That's right, the two pronouns are he and it. He has been used to replace the noun Bruno, and it has been used to replace the moon. Hoo-yah! For the next question, you're being asked to replace the underlined words with the correct pronoun. Asa gave a cake to the teachers. The teachers enjoyed eating the cake. Which pronoun do you think could be used to replace the noun phrase, the teachers? We could use the pronoun they to replace the teachers. What about the cake? That's right, the pronoun it can be used in this case. Asa gave a cake to the teachers. They enjoyed eating it. For the final question, you are being asked to circle the pronoun that the writer has used to refer back to Isaac. Isaac performed the routine and then spoke with the coach. She praised him for having wonderful posture. Pause your video now and hit play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great. Which pronoun is being used to refer back to Isaac? Isaac performed the routine and then spoke with the coach. She praised him for having wonderful posture. The answer is him. Well done if you spotted the correct pronoun. Hoo-yah! I hope you found this video useful about the word class pronouns. We've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and take a look?